London. East, past the river, to Stratford, where the Olympic Park meets the town. Prospect East, Liberty Bridge Road. 6th floor of the Sentinel Building. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 74 square metres, and the Olympic Park on the doorstep. A 6-metre open-plan living room and a kitchen with integrated Bosch appliances. Underfloor heating throughout. Both bedrooms are doubles with fitted wardrobes. The principal has its own ensuite. £2,850 a month, available the 1st of September. Harvey W James, London's premium new build investments. Call us on 0203 865 1500 to book your viewing.